Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Credit Pros, a credit repair company that's been making waves. If you've been struggling with a low credit score or dealing with errors on your credit reports, you might have come across this name before. But are they worth your time and money? And do they really deliver on their promises? That's exactly what we're going to uncover in today's review. Let's start with a thorough overview of the Credit Pros. This company was founded with one main mission: to help consumers fix errors on their credit reports and improve their overall financial standing. They provide services that range from credit repair to monitoring and even financial education. One of the things that sets them apart is that they use artificial intelligence tools to help automate and optimize the credit repair process. They claim to work closely with the three major credit bureaus, namely Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to dispute inaccurate items on your report. But beyond just fixing errors, the Credit Pros also offer tools to help you build your credit and understand how to maintain a good credit score in the long run. Credit repair is a big industry, and unfortunately, there are a lot of scams out there. So today I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about the Credit Pros, including their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether they are truly worth considering. Now let us talk about the main features of the Credit Pros. Credit reports and score analysis. When you sign up, one of the first things the Credit Pros does is pull up your credit reports and scores. They break down the information in an easy to understand way and highlight what's impacting your score the most, whether it's late payments, collections, charge-offs, or other negative marks. Unlimited credit disputes. One of the biggest selling points is that they offer unlimited credit disputes. This means that no matter how many negative items you have, they will continuously send dispute letters on your behalf to credit bureaus aiming to get inaccurate or outdated information removed. Debt validation and goodwill letters. Apart from disputes, they also assist with debt validation letters, where they ask creditors to provide proof that a debt is actually legitimate. If a creditor can't validate the debt, it may be removed from your report. They also send goodwill letters, which are requests to creditors asking them to remove a negative item as a gesture of goodwill, often if you have good payment history with them otherwise. Credit monitoring and alerts. Included in all their plans is a credit monitoring feature which helps track changes in your credit score and alerts you if anything unusual happens, like a sudden drop in your score, a new account being opened in your name, or a potential case of identity theft. Financial education tools. Unlike some other credit repair companies, the Credit Pros emphasize financial literacy. They provide resources on how credit works, how to improve your score, and how to manage your finances responsibly. If you're someone who wants to understand your credit beyond just fixing it, this can be a valuable feature. AI-driven tools. Their AI technology helps analyze your credit profile and suggest personalized strategies to improve your score. It's an interesting feature that sets them apart from some of their competitors. Now let's talk about the pricing. They offer three pricing plans. The Build Credit Plan, which is $69 per month with a $119 first work fee. This is designed for those who need to establish or rebuild their credits. The Repair Credit Plan, which is $129 per month with a $129 first work fee. This plan is focused on actively repairing your credit by disputing negative items. And lastly, we have the Repair Plus Build Credit Plan, which is $149 per month with a $149 first work fee. This combines credit repair with credit building tools. One thing to note is that these are recurring monthly fees. Credit repair is not an overnight process, so the longer you need the service, the more you end up paying. On average, people spend anywhere from 3 to 6 months in a credit repair program, so costs can add up quickly. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Credit Pros. First, we talk about the pros. Comprehensive services, unlimited disputes, positive customer feedback, and transparent pricing. There are no hidden fees or surprise charges. How about the cons? Monthly fees can be expensive, as you can see, because costs can add up over time. There are mixed reviews. Some customers complain about delays or lack of visible progress, and legal issues have occurred in the past. The company has faced legal scrutiny regarding advertising claims. But generally, that is for you to weigh and decide. But here's a concluding thought. Should you use the credit pros? If you have errors on your credit reports and you don't want to deal with the hassle of disputing them yourself, the credit pros can be a solid option. They offer a range of useful tools and their AI-driven approach adds a layer of convenience. However, credit repair is something you can technically do on your own for free if you're willing to put in the efforts, and that can help you save money by handling disputes yourself. But for those who want a hands-off approach and are okay with the cost, the credit pros can be a good choice. Just make sure you understand that credit repair takes time and that results can vary. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Lexington Law, Ovation Credit Services, and Sky Blue Credit Repair. And that's it for today's review of the Credit Pros. I hope this review has given you a clearer understanding and whether it's the best credit repair option for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.